Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a website to your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right and select the little arrow again on the top right. Then you should see your Facebook page, so you just want to click on there. And once you're on here, click on your profile icon again on the top right. Once you're on here, just click on your name at the top, and you should see 3 dots on the right hand side, so you want to select that. Then at the top it should give you the option to edit, so you want to click on that. And once on here, just scroll down, and you should see links near the bottom, so you just want to press add. Then you should see underneath websites, so it'll give you the option to add a website. So once you're on here, obviously just find the link for your website, so whatever that may be. So once you've got your website link, just go onto there, and then you can either write it in or paste it in. Then all you need to do is select save. When you come out of here, you should see below that your website link has been added for you. Thanks for watching.